Our member of parliament, where are you? The presidential order is still standing. But now our land has been invaded, over 200 to 300 head of cattle. This is our Balaalo. They graze in our crop, they graze in our land, mix our animal. Now, where is our leaders? Where is our member of parliament? Where is the presidential order standing? Why are we suffering? Why we are actually suffering this way? How can you invade somebody's land? From nowhere you take his house and you graze animal in the farmland. We are already suffering. We are already suffering. Leaders, help us. May God Almighty help us. Our hope only comes from God. Our hope only comes from God. We suffered. Acholi has suffered. We suffered really. We suffered. What they no chan Acholi? Ngom madong pe chiako cham ki kwa ye dieng por weng mo furo kwa ye dieng. What they no chan do luba. Konya chula wene. Konya chula wene do. Konya chula wene. Chuli do to em. Nen lugi diang. Ki keli ngomi di wo. Konya luba. Konya Yesu. Konya luba. Konya Yesu. Memo parliament wagulingo. Presidential order putika teach ento gulingo. Acholi tika deno chan wanyoy trading center chelo ngera. Wadeno chan do luba. Luba pacholi unity kwene. Luba pacholi unity kwene. Luba pacholi unity kwene. Luba pacholi unity kwene. Tutua manong kita Balaalo lani ke loba choli. Kia bit ko chor jami adek way ngomwa. Watika riam kumbe ni medak pun. Kita Balaalo do lani ke loba choli en. Gibini ngomi, gibini porni, gibini gangi, gudonyo way out. Mawa yubo me beru panyakole. This is how Balaalo is invading the northern Uganda, please. Help us. We are in a big problem. We are in a big problem. Acholi ti pero. Acholi ti pero gudonyo chiang beach. Gil kwai dion we poro padano we ngom padano. Ki kwai dion we poro mchele padano. Pero maturity ye lutua. Cholu deno chano. This is how Balaalo is treating us in northern Uganda, please. Presidential order is still standing, but look at what Balaalo is doing in northern Uganda. We are suffering. This is our land in Alingiri. This is our land in Alingiri. They came on Friday night, took control of our home, and now we are suffering.